It's easy to create an invoice on InvoiceASAP. Just tap New Invoice, and then tap the plus sign next to Customer. You can search, scroll, add a new customer here, or select an existing customer. If you do have a job or location that's a sub-customer, you would add that there. Scroll below, tap on Items, and here you can also search or scroll your existing items or add a new item. For this example, we're just going to scroll down and pick grass seed. On this screen, you can change the price, the quantity, the taxable information, as well as add a description, and then hit Done to save your changes. Let's do it again. We're going to scroll down to our item, select it, and you can then change the quantity and tap Done to save it to the unsaved invoice. You can change your tax rates and add comments to the invoice here. When you're all done, tap on Save. This will bring you to the saved invoice where you can send the invoice or use the drop-down menu for other functions. If you get stuck or need help with anything at all, please get in touch with our support team. You can open a support ticket by sending an email to support@invoiceasap.com, and you can also do instant chat on the InvoiceASAP dashboard when you're logged into the website. We're always here to help you.